I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. In our travels to Ecuador, we tried some very interesting foods. Like there was the time that we had deep fried pork skin. It was like the size of a hubcap. It was salty and crunchy and absolutely delicious, and I ate a whole one myself. And then there was the time that we had guinea pig, roasted guinea pig. I'd never had guinea pig before. And it was golden brown, and I wasn't sure what to expect, but I actually liked it. Tastes a little bit like hamster.
Have you tried hamster?
No, I've never tasted hamster. And then there was the time that I didn't like this one so much. They have a thing in Ecuador called snake bite rum, where they steep homemade rum in a jar with a big snake wrapped around in there. And they say the snake adds a lot of flavor to it. But there are a couple of snacks that we had in Ecuador that I want to make for you tonight because they're so delicious. For the plantains I'm going to make, which, as you can see, they're from Ecuador, what you do is you chop off the ends, cut them in half, and then you peel them just like you would a potato. You just want to take those skins off. In fact, it's a start, so it's kind of very much like a potato. And even though they look like a banana, they don't quite taste like a banana. They've got maybe a little banana aftertaste to them, but it's really a different product. And so many people I know have never tried making a plantain dish at home. I highly recommend it. Then what I do is I cut it into about 1/4 inch coins like that. And now I'll prep the pork. Here's the thing about Ecuador. They celebrate pork every weekend in villages and towns all over the country. In fact, in many other places in South America. What they do is on Friday, they'll take care of the pig. Then over the weekend, they serve pork in every village. And it's the simplest recipe you've ever heard of. All it is a little touch of flour. This is just a pound of pork that I chunked. Salt, about a good teaspoon of salt per pound, because you want these to be salty treats. And then pepper, about a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. So I'll just mix that up quickly. And then we'll go cook these 2 treats. I'm going to start my pork first. I have about 1 inch worth of vegetable oil that's all heated up. I'm going to put that pork in there, and we're just going to fry it till it gets nicely browned. Now I'm going to fire up my pan for the plantains. So this is 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to fry these up so they're brown, and then I'm going to flip them over and brown the second side. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Let me check my pork. Oh, look at that. It's getting all nice and golden. So we'll keep frying that up. Now I come over here and check my plantains. Oh yeah, they're browning up. So we're going to flip them all over. These look nice and brown and crunchy. So I'm going to just give it a very light dusting of salt. And then I'm going to give it a sprinkle of hot sauce, your favorite hot sauce. And then some shredded mozzarella cheese. So we'll sprinkle that over the top. It's about 1/3 of a cup. And I just want to put a top on it just until the cheese melts. And look at these pork chunks. And here we go, 2 snacks from Ecuador. First, I'm going to taste the plantains with the mozzarella. And the hot sauce. Those are really good. Here's the thing that cracks me up about this. When we have them over there, it's like, okay, mozzarella cheese on top? How did an Italian cheese get into an Ecuadorian snack? But it doesn't matter because they're good. And here is my fried pork. So tender, a little bit of a crunch. And this, it's so ridiculously easy. What is it? Salt and pepper and a touch of flour. That's it. At the same time, when was the last time you had chunks of deep fried salt and pepper pork? That's what I mean. It's so easy. But when was the last time you had it? What do you mean last week?